This week on What's in the Warehouse, we're talking about the Kenda Super Turf. The K500 is an OEM bias ply tire that you've probably seen on ZTR and high-end commercial mowers. If you're in need of a long life tire that's tough against punctures, the Super Turf provides both while maximizing the contact patch for grip. But wait, what about turf? Does grip mean aggressive? Nope. Siped lugs provide extra traction, while closely spaced tread blocks minimize turf damage. Spring isn't too far away, Traction Tribe. Are your tires ready?